Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to professionally clean your quartz watch, automatic watch or bracelet, your case by yourself at home. We are going to use an ultrasonic cleaner. As you can see, today I have the one by G-Tone. Here we have the inside of the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to fill it up with water, and then I also have some solution. You can even use some soap in order to put inside and to get a little bit more power to your cleaning. And here we have the watch. So I have a Festina chronograph watch, as you can see right here, with a few links as well. I'm going to put these inside as well. Here we have the bracelet, which is very dirty. You can see the buckle right here. So I want to see if all of these dirt is going to come off. And here we have the other side as well of the clasp. Now what I also suggest you do is to have an extra toothbrush that you use for cleaning your bracelets, because you can leave them for, let's say, 1, 2, 3 minutes inside the ultrasonic cleaner, and then you want to move the dirt in order to be able to get that full, let's say 100% result, because this is going to speed up the process. So you can even do this under the tap, or you can do this inside the ultrasonic cleaner as well. So what I'm also going to use is going to be a spring bar removal tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the basic watchmaker toolkit and to also the ultrasonic cleaner in case you want to get them, because I want to remove these bits, so these spring bars, in order to have a full view of the clasp, as you can see right here. And I'm going to remove this pin right here as well. So I have this bit right here. We are going to have the 2 pins, and I'm also going to remove the bracelet because I want to clean the watch case here as well. I'm going to do that by myself since I do not want to remove the movement. But in case you have, let's say, a diver's watch, you can even insert the watch inside the ultrasonic cleaner. You can already see how much dirt is going to come off. So I'm going to take all of these apart, just like this. And now I'm going to do the other side as well. Just like that. So now I'm going to add some water. You can go with, let's say, warm, hot water, depending on however you want. And I'm going to fill in between the minimum and the maximum, just like this. Now I'm going to add some drops of the ultrasonic cleaning solution, just a few drops. And now I'm going to put in all the bits and pieces of the bracelet. So I'm going to put the spring bars as well. And I'm also going to insert the extra links that I have. Okay, and now we are going to hit start, and you'll be able to hear and see instantaneously how the bracelet is going to clean. So guys, I went through 2 cleaning cycles, and you can already see that the dirt is very easy to remove right now. So this is how I can remove it very easily. That is why I would definitely recommend to use, let's say, a pair of toothbrush or some other thing in order to move a little bit the dirt. This is going to speed up the process. You can see these full pieces of dirt right here. And I'm also going to do the same thing for the bracelet. And I'm going to turn each part on the other side, clean it a little, and then I'm going to start another cycle. So guys, you can see that after a few cycles the water turned black. I still have to use the toothbrush in order to remove all these extras that are here. You can see that they are going to be very easy to remove, and I'm going to clean everything under the tap, and then I'm going to be back with the final result. So guys, this is the final result. As you can see, the bracelet is very clean. I also ended up inserting, so putting on the extra links that I had. So this way, if somebody is going to buy the watch, we're going to be able to send them all the links, and in case they want to remove a few links, they can do so. And now I'm going to assemble the watch together so that we can see how this looks on the wrist. Let's say can also have a very small look right here as well. This is how the watch looks because I also cleaned the watch. This was the most dirty part of the watch, and also these were pretty dirty, so now everything is clean. Now I'm going to assemble it back together. So I'm going to first put on the clasp. I'm going to use the same tool, so the spring bar removal tool. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below to the G-Tone ultrasonic cleaner, because I am pretty sure that you are going to enjoy this a lot, because it is an amazing piece of equipment that you can have around the house in order to actually clean all of your watches. So now I'm going to put on back the bracelet. So we have this part of the bracelet at 12 o'clock. I would recommend to work on the back of the watch so that you do not scratch it on the front. So in case you leave a small scratch, it is going to be on the back of the watch. I also have to tighten the screw down back. And now for the last part, I'm going to put on this last spring bar that is going to ensure the last part of the bracelet. So just like that. So guys, this is how the watch looks. As you can see, all the extra links have been cleaned as well and have been inserted inside the watch. So this is ready to be sold. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below once it's going to be live on our website. But once again guys, if you want to do this by yourself at home, definitely go and grab one of these. It is going to be a life changer. As you keep on using the ultrasonic cleaner, the bottom part of the cleaner, as you can see, it is going to have some scratches, and that is because I usually move a little the bracelet, and that is going to scratch this part, but that is not going to affect the functionality of it. Once again, link in the description box below. I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it, guys. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Make sure to check out all the links in the description box below, especially to the watch tools and the ultrasonic cleaner. And also, in case you would like to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this Festina calendar watch, which, as you can see, also features the month. So this is going to be a calendar, a full calendar watch that also features the month. So that is going to be something really cool. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.